We are providing AI solutions in the livestock farms, using AI to help farmers to monitor the health status of their animals to to detect disease earlier and prevent outbreak. And we are in the batch 0 of Plug and Play.
Raintech is a chip design company, and our mission is to provide the most energy-saving and cost-effective base station chips for 5G, 6G, and also cellular communications. We have joined 2 benches in Plug and Play. One is the semiconductor program in Florida, and the second one is the Plug and Play in Taiwan.
We're doing AI agents for smart manufacturing, including machine learning, data science, and AI agents we designed just for manufacturing. And we're batch 0 of Plug and Play Taiwan.
The most memorable is about some mentorship because we join a fundraising course and they are experienced serial entrepreneurs to teach us how to do the fundraising, and you need to have very good connections with investors and not just meet once, you may need to connect with them continually.
We talk with Akron Pacific Ventures, Shocker VC, VU Venture partner. This is so much closer from our Muro AI to the States. After the pitch on the stage, a lot of VC, a lot of corporate, we just connect. It really matters for us.
Before pitch on the stage, it's very nervous, honestly. But when I step on the stage, it's a good opportunity. And the pitch time is also limited, only 3 minutes. And after the meeting, several investors or who is interested in this area, or especially in the agri-tech, also with many connections after the pitch. So I think there was very good experience.
This time we joined the summit, we found the Plug and Play provide a very useful app, and you can use this app to connect to what you want to know. This is very convenient. After you finish the event, you can still have some conversation with them. I think we create about 50 meetings through this event. So that's why we can meet some angel investors. I encourage the new startups use the app.
I suggest batch 1 startups, you must be review all the attendees before you join the summit to search out or to find which cooperate or which investor is especially in your field.
So first thing first is to self-motivate and also setting the goals. Lastly, we need to embrace a change. Being a startup company in Taiwan and in the world, in the global, is totally different. And after that, just feel free showing your business out there. I think it will be very unforgettable and also bring a lot of great change out there for our startup.